Hi there! Today we will be making a crane. Well, yes, that's a bird. Let's see what do we have in our book. We see 4 steps right here. Let's start with the first step, wherein we are going to make a small circle on the top like this. After that, let's start making the letter S. And then let's make one more in a similar way. After that, let's make a curve like this and convert it into an oval. This looks interesting. Keep enough space for the body and then make the legs. Yes, this needs to be very rough as of now, and hence we are going to draw this very lightly. Now let's start giving it intricate details. This looks interesting. That's lovely. After that, start by making a beautiful design inside the wing. And then start by making the leg once again. This looks great. Follow the line and continue making the leg. This looks very interesting. Complete the leg in a similar way and then make the wings. That's interesting. All we have to do next is erase the overlapping parts and then start sketching. Yes, we will require a black sketch pen for the same. If you do not erase the overlapping parts, make sure that you don't sketch it by mistake also. Let's make this wing nicely. Looks lovely. We will start coloring this with pencil crayons. Let's take our pencil crayons and start coloring this. Well, yes, we have very small and intricate details right here. Hence, we will be using the tip of the pencil to color this. We need a very sharp pencil for the same. You need to do the outline first and then color inside. After that, let's take orange color and do the bottom part of our bird's leg. This looks interesting. All we have to do is press the pencil color hard on top of the paper so that we get a darker texture. That is brilliant! Look at that! We are ready with our crane.